Well, hello, country. What is your capital city? My capital city is Washington, D.C. How about your country? Bonjour. My capital is Paris. I guess you can have the croissant and some French cheese. So that's it for me. Is it an independent city? Excuse me, can you say it once more? It is an independent city, like, does it have its own regional city or something like that? No, it is located in the region of Île-de-France, of course. So, can Greece tell you its capital? Yes, of course, he can tell me his capital, of course. Greece, what is your capital? Please tell me. So, my capital is called Athens in the region of Attica. Armenia, the USA wants to know your capital. So, can you say it, please? So, Yerevan is our capital, a federal city. Yeah, so Amman is my capital. That's it. Okay, and Ukraine, what is your capital city? Why did the Dakotas split? Well, we have to explain the geography and then the history. We landed it incorrectly. Yeah, there you have it. One lemon later. We have to start with North Dakota. The capital is Bismarck. It is the smaller of the Dakotas, to be simple. It is divided furthermore into 53 districts, and that's it I know about it. South Dakota is more larger. Its capital is Pierre. It is divided into 66 districts, probably the most of the Dakota. When did the splitting of the Dakotas begin? And why are they split? I heard you have a Discord server. Is this true? Yes, I have a Discord server. The link is in the description to join. We are back from the ad break. So the reason is probably because of the population. Let me explain. This is North Dakota's population at the time and South Dakota's population at the time. South Dakota could become its own state because it respected the population criteria. Remember my last question? Oh yeah, so the splitting of the Dakotas happened in the 19th century on the 2nd of November. Happened on 1889, the 2nd of November to be exact. So, can you list the states that border both South Dakota and North Dakota? The US states that border them are. They both border Minnesota and Montana. North Dakota borders South Dakota, Minnesota, and Montana. South Dakota borders Iowa, Nebraska, Wyoming, and bonus. Hungary or Austria, which is bigger? Hungary is bigger because Austria has 83,000 square kilometers and Hungary has 93,000 square kilometers. So, thank you for the answer. Can you name some big cities from Greece, please? Greek cities might include Athens and Patras. Stay tuned for more. Hi countries, may I tell you fun fact? Yes, but only if you want. Did you know that some countries don't even have their capitals, or they are their own capitals? Well, yes, maybe I think they are just too small to have a capital, or they are their own cities, and maybe the fact that they contain a single settlement that can be its capital. Well, yes, you are right. Maybe this is because Nauru, a country in Oceania, is so small that their capital isn't even a city, it's a district. Well, yes, even Monaco, Vatican City, and Singapore don't have their own capitals because they are their own capitals, so you are all right, thankfully. May I ask a question? How many divisions does your country have? Honestly, this is a great question. I have 4 governorates that are in 3 regions. So in total, I have 12 governorates. Well, I have 24 provinces in my country. That's a lot, and that is the double of the ones in Jordan. Here in France, we have 18 regions, as you can plainly see, also including the overseas territories and islands. Here in Greece, we only have 13 regions. That is even a lot, and we also have 1 autonomous region, as you can plainly see. Here in the USA, we only have 50 states and 5 unincorporated territories. What does Fyrom mean? In which continent it is located? What countries does it border? What's its capital? Well, let me explain. Firstly, Fyrom is located in Europe, as I explained. Yes, but what does it mean? Well, let me explain. So, Fyrom means Former Yugoslavic Republic of Macedonia. Is Macedonia called today, and why did it change its name? This is because it used to be called Macedonia, but now North Macedonia. You see, because North Macedonia tried to join NATO, but Greece would oppose because they use the name Macedonia, and is now called North Macedonia. How about if you tell me about the neighbors of North Macedonia? North Macedonia borders Greece, Serbia, and Bulgaria, and also Albania. North Macedonia's capital is also Skopje. What is the newest country in the world, where it is located, what is its capital, and when was it founded? It's an African country going by the name of South Sudan that was founded in 2011 and capital Juba. Wanna learn more? I recommend to check the Guinea-Bissau video. Also, like, what is this normal for a church? Where is this supposed to be? This is the average house in this village. And this is a normal village. So, how did we get here? This is the village of Telepa, or internationally Bulgarian colony. Is it like still Bulgarian? It's unknown because it's a ghost town, and it's said to be that there are more Romanians. And the road quality is so bad, and it's full of mud. This is the average house. Even the fact that it is broken. And the fact that there is no official road sign like this. Don't ever think entering here because it is very closed. And as of 2022, there are still 14 inhabitants living here. And there used to be 50 inhabitants in the past. And the sheep population is much bigger than this. Hope you enjoyed this new video. Please join our Discord server, link will be in the descriptions, and also our website. Thanks for watching. Choose one of the videos or subscribe to this channel. There will be new videos weekly, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.